Ever wondered why you type YouTube into Google instead of the URL bar? This is the power of navigational queries. Navigational queries are searches made to find a specific website or web page, often using brand-specific terms. Think of searches like Amazon Prime or WebMD Symptom Checker. These are classic examples of navigational queries. Interestingly, YouTube and Facebook are among the most searched terms on Google, showcasing the simplicity of navigating via search engines. These queries indicate that users are clear about their destination, making it an alternative to typing a URL directly. Navigational queries also help users find specific pages within a website without needing to remember the exact URL. For instance, searching RF's broken link building takes you directly to the guide you need without hassle. But can you optimize for these navigational keywords? If you don't own the brand, it's quite challenging. However, if you do own the brand, you naturally rank for these queries, though competitors might bid on your keywords. To secure your spot, ensure your website includes your brand name, service descriptions, and address. This boosts your organic ranking for navigational keywords.